What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are going through this week in a great way, and I guess that you're making sure that even though you're taking L's or even though you're experiencing losses, you're just keeping the discipline, the consistency, and the patience, and most of all, following your plans in your system. This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I want to give you guys game, like I always give you guys game and my trade ideas and my trade breakdowns, right? So today, I want to share with you guys why you don't have to put your stops on break even though price has moved impulsively into profits, right? But this is mainly based on how you trade and how you approach the markets, right? But before I get any further with the video, make sure that you smash the like button, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the links on my description if you want to trade with the brokers that I highly recommend and trade with, or if you're looking for a legitimate forex trading course, you guys know what to do, and you guys know what TOT Academy has came up with. You can just click that link right there, or just hit my line, or just comment down there on the comment section and tell me that you want to be part of it, and we can take it from there. But my plan is to make sure that I assist traders out there who are struggling to see consistency results, or most of all, to just see change in their trading journey. This is what we came up with, and this is our plan to help you and assist you guys with it. But without further ado, let me hit the charts and share with you guys how I took those trades and what you have to do to avoid putting your trades, to avoid being stopped out before price initially moves the way you anticipated, right? So looking at USD CAD on Tuesday, strictly the hourly time frame, no 4-hour, no daily, no 15-minute, or no 1 minute or 5 minute, strictly the hourly time frame, right? So USD CAD on Wednesday, on Tuesday, yesterday, today it's a Wednesday, the 27th. I saw that okay, USD CAD, we possibly are in a that current market price on bear move, right? This whole move, we're in a bear move, not looking at the overall structure, right? But when you zoom out a little, you can clearly see that from what I'm trying to share with you guys, this is our resistance, right? Whether you want to call it that major resistance or that intraday or that minor resistance, I just say this is our resistance, right? So price has been selling below and buying above, right? Selling below, buying above. So it happened that yesterday when I woke up around 9, I saw that okay, price is still holding this type of range. This whole box, price is holding some type of range, and obviously when price is in a range, whether it's a bear downtrend range, there's a possibility that price will continue down. But if it's an uptrend range, there's a possibility price will continue up, right? So I saw that okay, price is holding that intraday range, and I told myself that with this range, if it happens that price pushes to the upside, I won't trade USD CAD. But if price continues moving to the downside, then I have to wait and see what is going to happen on our major zone. When we get to our major zone, I want to see what is going to happen. Is price going to continue down with the momentum, or will price respect the zone and just give us some type of move to the upside, or the intraday reversal to the upside? Those were my two plans, right? I had 3 plans actually. If price moves to the upside before we get to our zone, I'm not trading USD CAD. But if we get to our zone and we violate that zone, or rather what I say, if we continue moving bearish or to the downside on that zone, then I guess I have to follow what price is showing me and just be bearish below my zone. But if we're failing to break, or if we're failing to violate this very same zone, then I guess I guess I have to wait for further confirmations as to what do I have to do, right? Because 1, price is holding that intraday bear move. 2, price is still above that major zone. And 3, what is going to happen when price gets to that very same zone? Are we going to have a violation, or is price going to fail to violate it? That's what I was planning when I woke up and looked at USD CAD, right? So I waited for I think like 6 or 7 hours before I even took this trade, right? Because from 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. you guys know that I don't trade 4 p.m. But at the same time, I knew that based on how I trade and based on how I approach the markets, there's a high possibility that USD CAD will continue moving to the upside based on how I trade and how I approach the markets. Or let me just say, based on price action or technical analysis in general, price might give me that reversal to the upside. So how do I take this trade and how did I anticipate this move to the upside? I now had to wait for like 2 things before I had the confirmation into what do I have to do, because I now know that I'm in my major zone, right? So when this bear candlestick closed, I told myself that okay, now we are on our major zone and we have a full bear candle close, which opened bullish and left the wick and closed bearish with a full body candlestick, right? So once this candlestick closed fully bearish, even though we left the wick to the upside, I told myself that okay, before I put my money to work, one, I have a bear candlestick that has obviously that has closed on our major zone. For me, in order for me to continue bearish, I need to at least wait for the coming candlestick to close below that zone in order for me to continue bearish. Or if I have to look for buys, or if I have to be bullish and anticipate that reversal, let me at least wait for a bullish candlestick that will close above and the coming candlestick indicating that from the 2 candlesticks we have violated those 2 candlesticks. We might now look forward for that move to the upside. Do you guys get that? Let me explain it again before I end the video. 1, I woke up and saw that price is holding a range, and I told myself that if price continues up, we don't trade, but if price continues down, then I at least have to wait and see what is going to happen once we reach my zone. Are we going to get a violation, or is price going to fall to break, right? And then 2, once price came back to the very same zone, I saw that okay, we're now having a bear candlestick that closed on that zone. In order for me to continue moving bearish, let me at least get the coming candlestick closing below my very same zone, indicating that from this bear candlestick and this break below, or that violation to the downside, price is looking to continue down. Or if we get a bullish candlestick that closes bullish above our zone, I'll wait for the 3rd candlestick to indicate, or to give me a confirmation by simply trading above the 2 candlestick, 1 bear candlestick and the coming bullish candlestick, and I guess I have to do it to anticipate that move to the upside. And when you look at it, we have a bear candlestick, we have a bullish candlestick, and we have the 3rd candlestick trading below the 2, trading above the 2 bearish candlesticks and the bullish candlesticks, and that indicated to me that we might be looking to continue moving to the upside. Do you guys get that? So such trades are not hard to approach, but they're mainly based on you having to understand your zones, like your support, your resistance. If you're trading supply and demand, then focus on that. But for the most part of it, I'm a support and resistance trader. I'm an SNR trader. In this instance, I saw that okay, price is below, price is above our resistance, and obviously when we're staying above resistance, we need to wait for signs of a reversal to the upside, long as price is still above that resistance. But if price is below resistance, then I still have to tell you guys that you might look to continue moving to the downside, because we're below our sell zone. But in this instance, price was just staying above our major sell zone. And in that instance, once price is above the major sell zone, we need to be bullish because it's above, right? So I repeat, this trade wasn't hard, but it's mainly based on you having to understand your zones, your candlesticks, and your sessions, right? But without further ado, people, I guess I gave you guys game, and I guess I shared what was important to me, because as much as I take those trades I want to share them with you guys so you can learn what I'm also using. You can learn from what I'm using, because if it's working for me, it sure will work for you, but only if you're applying it the right way and you're not doing anything that will violate what's important. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, I guess you enjoy the video, I guess you take something from this, and I guess you learn and you understand, and you get to a point where you have to figure it out that trading isn't very hard, but you have to understand all the aspects of trading before you can actually understand that trading isn't hard. But many traders don't get that, but that's why COT Academy has opened up its courses, just so we can assist you guys and make sure that we put game in your trading journey. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, this your boy Hala, that's all I got on this video.